What's up, guys? On our way to Chain Rocks. Bit of a bait collection mission, trying to get some oki for the upcoming season. But it's here already, but yeah, let's see how it goes. Yeah.
Fishing off the point over there, yeah. Throwing bait. Then, I think you put natural, no? Natural what?
I don't think we were actually throwing baits. I think we were just normal fishing. Oh, you remember throwing bait?
I threw plain choka bait.
Okay, right.
Plain choka bait and add a lot of that. And then he bites, screaming.
Ah. No hello, nothing.
Huh?
No hello, how are you? Nothing.
Nothing. Not that. I thought the fish, I think we were 20 minutes.
Yeah.
Eventually, I think I was cut off.
No, on the bank.
Huh?
I think the bank.
The bank or on the reef or something. I don't know. Something felt like it rubbed and then it
Parted. Well, I remember the bank was shallow. That's why I thought.
Multiply.
Yeah,
so
short.
With the thin rods. But my gosh, probably fishes over here. He reckons he gets stuff. He had one sandy smash today.
Yeah, it shouldn't. That's the same point. Not always.
You get more smaller species. Like you get a lot of brown.
Fleas, the spinners. Hey, Farah, this was coming out asking for fresh bait.
Paddlers get there.
Yeah.
Check out.
He won't come out, most likely just coming close to the back line.
You're coming close in the
That's all. Yeah, I can see Wana Beach in the back there. Not so far away. Long we walked. But far we walked. But the bank is not so bad for us here.
Bank, yeah.
Yeah.
This bank is actually working nice.
That's what I'm saying.
But see, it goes at a time when there's no this thing.
Yes, but you need to be working.
As the water is running out, it will work more.
How to catch sealice. So comes out from here. That's what you want. A bit of labor involved, but nothing too major. Normally you can spot them in sand. Today I can't. But just wait for the water to come up a bit more. And as they start to go down, do this. That was a fail. Yeah. Keep moving your legs side to side. As the water starts to recede, the sand goes with it. and you feel something like a pebble under your foot. Sometimes it pricks you, sometimes it doesn't, but that's how you catch sea lice. Again guys, you need a license to harvest them and use them, so be aware. So I have 2, which is enough. Just trying to get one more to show you that I'm actually successful. I'm not using a net or anything like that. As I said, it is some work, but for me, going to the gym means coming to the beach. Bit small, but biggest can't be choosers today, and another one. Might have found a shoal. Grab it how? Why? Passenger? How?
It took me so long to want to touch crackers. Oh, hey. You know when I learned to touch that thing? When the fish is holding time. And I'm passing there, calm down. I don't know, hey, I'm not catching anything. I have to make a plan.
That's when you start to use it.
I have to make a plan. I have to try and catch something else. There's some tickles there, what?
Must know, Bev. Assuming it's right. Yeah. Okay, so my trace. We use these clips. We never had a problem before. Now normally with the non-heads, we just clip there and we're ready to go. But now, because I'm putting a ground trace, I tie a piece of, I say mono leader, but the only reason I'm using it is for the movement of the sinker. So that the sinker can move. So as your fish feeds and goes away, your sinker will move across your line, so it has more time to actually feed. So your sinker is free on your line with your power swivel, anti-tangle sleeve. Today I'm fishing with the 06 Maxima Ultra Green hook snood and a 4 rock point. Shot, Bev.
You know the story?
Fees. Fees are paying back.
Fees are what kind?
What fees for?
Paying back. Nonsense.
Yeah, for all the lessons. So Bevan was watching me. Bevan was watching me try the trace. So I asked him, "Hey, what's the story? You're paying fees?" He said, "No. I can watch it now. Or I can watch it later on your YouTube channel for free." But yeah, so you got your sea lice. There's many different ways to hook them. I'm going to use our old school way. Through the bottom. Now if there were more around, I would have put this one back since it has berries, but unfortunately today is being used as bait. Okay, so I'm trying to get it to the center. That's the reason why a lot of guys use the kennel rounds for their groundfish. This hook has an offset, so putting it to the center is not so easy. Now here you try and be gentle. Let's try something, because you don't want to tear it. Okay, that's through. That's one. Now for the second one. That's it here. Exact same thing. Amen. That's through the center. Out. Then lie it between that, between these flaps, and that's how your hook's gonna lie. So, using the light cotton here. This one I want it to stay on the hook as long as possible. Can't remember the last time I was using sealice for bait, but it's been a while. Put cotton between the legs. So one. Now the second one, because I don't know how the peckers are and the water is running out, so I'm hoping for a quick bite. I'm going to deshell it. Now by deshelling it, you expose a lot more flavor. Also the small fish might come, feed on it, and you have basically a chum line leading to your hopefully still full piece left on the hook on the bottom. So yeah, cotton there. You don't need a lot of cotton. That's your bait. In terms of target species, your pommy, your stumpy, your granta, flatties will also feed on it. Anything that's basically on a bank feeding will chow this. So in terms of placement of the bait, you're looking for white water and well, a bank basically. So here in front of me, just on the left, you can see the swell picking up. I'm going to place it just on the edge of that bank, on the right hand side of it. And also, if you see properly, basically there's a break between the banks there. Watch it swell. I'm going to put it just on the corner of that. Yeah, let's see. got it pretty much exactly where I wanted it, so let's see. Now an old theory is that your rod should be kept in the rod stand, especially when you're trying for groundfish. But I'm gonna hold this bait a bit, for like 5-10 minutes, just to see whether there's peckers and know how often I should be changing the bait. So this is what happens when you're supposed to be up at 3. Instead of sleeping, you decide to watch Chandramukhi. Maybe he's dreaming about that Sandy.
The mix is on, yeah? He had a bite earlier. Fish smashed the baits. Dropped. Hey, Mikhail, you know what to do with that? Hey.
Hoping for an edible, but
A bite is a bite.
Yeah, bite is a bite.
They took sealice, huh?
And let him go back.
Let him go back, catch him later in the season.
no orkies yet. Take it. One big end, one small. Can't take it out. Huh? Take it. You want to grab. Take it.
Crab.
Move the vehicle. You're not holding one. Or you're holding tight.
Force him out that side.
No, I'll call him for that. He's holding. Have you come put your hand and grab the things, pinch it?
Hey, hold it.
So did it.
You
The
grab that
basket.
one, I'll bring that, grab that one.
No, it's strong. That's why it's.
Wait.
Don't grab me, Carl. You can hurt you. Mistakenly, you get the wrong place.
It's not letting go.
Huh?
It's not letting go.
Yeah, it's holding tight. So you make him grab. You're just talking about that thing.
So guys, wasn't the most successful trip considering we mainly came for Oki. We managed to get one. And there. Not the biggest guy, but yeah, at least I got one lesser. But Bev also got one lesser. Yeah, that's about it.